Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that in our unit 2, in our previous class we have done about different utensils which were used in the kitchen. Then yesterday we have done about different spices which we were using in our kitchen to enhance our flavor of food. Then today children, the topic for today is what how we can make our own kitchen garden. We all think about it that we must make our own kitchen garden. छोटा सा garden होना चाहिए in our पीछे garden छोटा सा कहीं पे भी, and in the using different tools also you can create your own garden. So our topic for today is, in the garden only we are going to see different tools and what are the things we required and what are the different things we'll observe in kitchen garden or in garden. So gardening, what we will observe in gardening and what are the different tools. So children, what I had a thought that I'll show you few pictures of the tools, so that these pictures or these tools will be clear to you all, and how we will use it in our garden, that we will see. And after that we will do a word game in which you have been given with some clues, and using that clue you are going to give answers that what is the name of that tool or what is the thing which you required it. So let's start these pictures. Let's see what are the different gardening tools. Now first of all, what is gardening? Gardening means creating or making our own small garden or some that space or area in which you can grow few flowers or vegetables or few of the plants of your own choice. So it is not large scale. When we are doing when we are growing crops on a large scale, that is not called gardening. Gardening means when you are creating your own space, making a particular space according to your own wish. So what is gardening? Let's see. Gardening will be much easier. Gardening I have told you, but it will be much easier if you will use these equipment, and it will be more productive also. So let's see what are the different tools or instrument which you can use. Let's see that. Now hand fork. As you can see in the picture, this tool is just like a fork which you use to eat noodles or Maggi or chow mein. Fine. So that's why, and it is used by your hand, that's why it is called hand fork. Now what is the use of this? That in between the plants when we have weeds. Now what are weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants which are not required or which will take minerals from the soil and our plant cannot be grow properly. Then we use this hand fork to remove all these weeds. Fine. So this is our first basic equipment, and the need of this equipment is a lot. Now next, that is trowel. Trowel is used to dig some soil. If you want to put a plant, आपको पहले गड्ढा करना पड़ेगा. How you are going to do that गड्ढा? That digging of soil you can do with this trowel. Now next is spade. When but on a particular place, पहले से कोई भी आपके पास गड्ढा है, that मिट्टी was came out या मिट्टी निकली हुई है, आपको निकालनी है या आपको उसको fill करना है गड्ढे को, that particular part, you will use this tool that is called spade. See children, in gardening we have different tools. हमारे पास बहुत सारे tools हैं, but the थिंग इज कि हर एक टूल का द कॉन्सेप्ट इज डिफरेंट. हर एक टूल को आपको डिफरेंट तरीके से यूज करना है टू क्रिएट योर ओन गार्डन. सो लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट टूल. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस टूल? दैट इज स्पेड. रिमेंबर इट बिकॉज दीज टूल्स आर गोइंग टू कम इन द चैप्टर ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रिंग, सिंपल धागा जो होता है, कोई भी धागा, इफ यू वांट टू टेक इट आउट समथिंग, कुछ खींचना है, देन यू विल यूज दिस स्ट्रिंग, धागे को यूज करते हैं हम. नाउ बोलो, बोलो इज अ काइंड ऑफ ए लॉन्ग नाइफ विच इज यूज टू कट आउट प्लांट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके प्लांट का पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज देयर, यू डोंट वॉन्ट दैट इट विल नॉट ग्रो, सो वॉट वी वर डूइंग कि हम नीचे से उसके कुछ branches को we will cut it, so that branch, this bolo is used to cut out that branch. ये long knife जैसा होता है, knife आपने चाकू जो घर में देखा हो, it's just like a long knife and we use this bolo and it is quite sharpened to cut out the stem. Now why we cannot cut it with knife? Because knife is not of this much big size and we cannot cut that, and that knife is also not as much sharpened, that much sharpness is required to cut that stem, so we used bolo here. Now next is hoe, that you all have seen. Hoe is used to collect some soil or some unwanted plants or other things were there in the field. Crowbar, crowbar is again one more device which is put it along with some instrument, will put it, and this crowbar is used to make a line for putting seeds or for putting grass or some seedlings which you want to put it, तो उसको एक लाइन में लगाने के लिए we use this crowbar. Shovel, again very important, shovel is used to collect soil which is used to collect, a sharpening tool which is used to drag to loosen the soil, which is simply used to drag to loosen the soil, that is shovel. Shovel or spade, there is a difference between shovel or spade. Spade is particularly used to fill the that particular area. अगर कोई गड्ढा है उसको भरने के लिए विल यूज स्पेड, बट शॉवल इज यूज टू कलेक्ट इट. आपको कलेक्ट करना है, अगर उसमें कुछ भी ड्रैग करके लूजन करना है आपको अर्थ को, तो दैट वर्क इज डन बाय शॉवल, बट स्पेड को हम सिर्फ फिल करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. एंड द डिफरेंस इज, जो स्पेड होता है उसका फ्लैट टिप होता है, टिप क्या होता है, एकदम फ्लैट होता है, एंड द शॉवल हैज अ पॉइंटेड टिप, ऐसे ऐसे बोट की तरह पॉइंटेड टिप रहता है. So now next is rake. Rake you all can see. Now remember this rake, because rake is used to collect all the dead leaves and all. कुछ भी जो सूखे पत्ते होते हैं गिरते हैं उनको कलेक्ट करने के लिए we use this rake. Fine. So rake picture is also given in your book also. Rake हम simply use करते हैं. For example आपके बहुत ज़्यादा पत्ते झड़ गए पेड़ से, पत्ते गिर गए, उनको कलेक्ट हम किससे करेंगे? विल यूज दिस रेक टू कलेक्ट ऑल दोज लीव्स. रिमेंबर ऑल दीज टूल्स, आप देखेंगे ये डिफरेंट टूल्स, यू विल फाइंड इट आउट इन योर बुक ऑल्सो. आपको बुक में भी आपको ये डिफरेंट टूल्स देखने को मिलेगा. नाउ वाटर स्प्रिंकलर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पौधे तो लगा लिया आपने, इफ यू विल नॉट गिव वाटर तो वो पौधे बड़े होंगे? नहीं बड़े होंगे. So you require to give them water also. For that you require that water sprinkler. अभी water sprinkler are also different kind. One kind of this water sprinkler I have shown here, but there are different kind of a water sprinkler. Fine. एक पूरा ऐसा कैन की तरह भी होता है and we have a nose over it, and एक ऐसा भी होता है container type also. One is of hanging type also. डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ए वाटर स्प्रिंकलर. और वाटर स्प्रिंकलर का नेम क्यों दिया है? बिकॉज वाटर वी विल स्प्रिंकल. नीचे आगे देखो इस पे नोज पे क्या बना हुआ है, ऐसा शावर सा बना हुआ है ना, तो दैट शावर इज यूज टू गिव अ शावर टू प्लांट्स. नाउ बैम्बू गार्डन, सी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ए बैम्बू गार्डन फेंसेज यू कैन सी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने गार्डन लगा दिया एंड गार्डन पे आपने in between that garden you have grass and आसपास क्या है, flowers आपने लगा दिया. how do you separate it? क्या होता है, कई बारी वो flowers they will coming over the grass and they were not to provide them a support. छोटे छोटे flowers को support provide कराने के लिए फेंसेस बनाए हुए हो, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल फेंस यू कैन सी. फेंस क्या होता है, जो हम आसपास उस पे गार्डन के आसपास कुछ भी हम लगा के, लकड़ी का भी फेंस लगाते हैं, और ऐसे स्मॉल स्मॉल बैम्बूज को कट करके विल टाइड इट अप विद अ रोप एंड देन विल पुट इट जस्ट लाइक अ फेंस. उसको उसके अंदर मिट्टी के अंदर गाड़ दिया एंड दैट विल बिकम अ बैम्बू फेंस. दीवार आसपास, जैसे हम घर के आसपास हमारे वॉल हम बनाते हैं, बाउंड्री बनाते हैं, जस्ट लाइक दैट वी हैव मेड फेंस ऑल्सो. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड फेंस. आपको याद रखना है व्हाट इज दैट वॉल इज कॉल्ड, दैट इज fence. Now you can see different kind of a fence, bamboo garden fence. Here also one more kind of a bamboo garden fence. You can see such a beautiful fence we have. Now wheelbarrow. Now see this picture carefully and remember it also. Now what is the use of this wheelbarrow? Why it is called wheelbarrow? Means barrow means एक गड्ढा जैसा होता है उसके अंदर and having a wheel also. And sometimes we have two wheelbarrow is also there. And now these wheelbarrow are used to collect all the garbage of that garden and throw it in a pit. And what is pit? एक गड्ढा बना लिया आपने and इन गड्ढे पे, उस गड्ढे में all the flowers, leaves, जो भी आपका waste है, आपका garden का waste, because they can make a compost. Compost मतलब they can be degrade in the environment. It can be forming a compost also. वो खाद बन जाते हैं, अपने आप environment में degrade हो जाते हैं. Like plastic तो degrade नहीं होता ना, but these will degrade itself. तो वो अपने आप degrade हो जाते हैं. तो we'll use this wheelbarrow to remove all those garbage from our garden. Remember this wheelbarrow. This is going to come in your chapter also. Now pick mattock. Pick mattock is again आपका कुल्हाड़ी जैसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है, which is used to काटने के लिए, गड्ढा करने के लिए we use that pick mattock. Now care of hand and tools and equipment. Now in this what we have कि tools and equipment को we have to keep it properly also. If you want to use it properly, so we'll take care measures we have to do it. So now pick mattock we have seen. So now with this we have seen all the major tools which we required in gardening. So here children we will finish and now we will start our chapter page number 70. What is that is in the garden. And word game part we will do it afterwards. First we will see different clues and we'll give the answer of this clues. So let's start that. So children, let's start our page number 70. Just now you have seen in pictures different tools which you required in gardening and how to make a kitchen garden. So in this page number 70 in the garden, you can see the topic on the board. What is that in the garden? So now in the garden you require different things related to tools also. Along with that tool you required rest of the things also to make our own kitchen garden. So we'll read out the clues and by reading the clues you have to give the answer. What is that thing? Now number one. Now the second thing which you are supposed to do it. Here you have been given with a word game. Fine. And you can see in your book here you have been given with a word game. Now what you will do. We will do that I'll read out the clues. Clues you can see that it is given on the next page. Clues have been given. So I'll read out the clues. I'll tell you the answers. You are going to sit along with your book. When you are watching this video, sit along with your book. And what you will do it, I'll read out the clues and then I'll tell you the answers also. And that particular name you have to find it out in word game. Fine. So what word you have to find it out in your word game, so that you will find it out yourself on this page. Fine. So what I'll do it, I'll tell you only the correct name. So now first of all I'll read out the first clue. Now number 1 is plants need plenty of this to get water and grow. Fine. Now the question is from where the plants are getting water. प्लांट्स कहाँ से पानी लेते हैं, फटाफट से बताएंगे. ओके, फ्रॉम वेयर द प्लांट्स नीड प्लेंटी ऑफ दिस. फाइन. प्लांट्स कहाँ से वाटर लेते हैं. सी इफ वी हैव अ प्लांट इन अवर गार्डन, हम तो उसको पानी देंगे, बट इफ वी हैव अ प्लांट इन फॉरेस्ट, तो वो कहाँ से पानी लेते हैं. Somebody else is also going in forest and giving water to them? No. कौन देता है पानी उनको? Yes, they are getting water from rain. Yes, correct. So they are getting water from rain. So plenty of rain is required. Plenty of rain is required to get water and grow. प्लांट्स को क्या चाहिए? प्लेंटी ऑफ रेन. प्लेंटी ऑफ रेन टू गेट वाटर एंड ग्रो. नाउ नंबर 2 इज these are good for health and can be grown in your own garden too. These are good for health. These are good for health and can be grown in your own garden. कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो आपकी सेहत के लिए अच्छी है? मम्मा हमेशा बोलती है यू कीप ऑन ईटिंग इज, बहुत सारी लॉट्स ऑफ, ये खाना चाहिए, ये खाना चाहिए. कौन सी चीज होती है? सब खाना चाहिए, बट दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट दीज आर गुड फॉर हेल्थ एंड कैन बी ग्रोन. खुद भी उगा सकते हैं हम इन आवर किचन गार्डन. Yes, correct. That is vegetables. Number 2 is correct. That is vegetables. Vegetable, and lot many vegetables we can grow in our own kitchen garden also. For example, हम lady finger, chilies, capsicum, and so many vegetables were there which can be easily grown in the kitchen garden. In fact, cauliflower and cabbage also can be grown in the in our kitchen garden. So now come to a third clue. These parts of the plant often smell good. It's quite easy. These part of the plant often smell good. Which part of the plant often smell good? Yes, correct. That is flowers. Number 3 is flowers. Correct. Number 4. Now I'll read out what is number 4 and you have to tell me the answer of that number 4. This is a healthy dish made of many raw vegetable. Now first of all understand the meaning of raw vegetable. Raw vegetable means कच्ची सब्जियां जो होती है. So this dish is made up of raw vegetable. कच्ची dishes से, कच्ची सब्जियों से कौन सी dish बनती है? That is fine. So what is 4th is कच्ची सब्जी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्यूकम्बर, कैरेट, ये कच्ची सब्जियों से कौन सी डिश बनती है? दैट इज सैलेड. दैट इज सैलेड एंड इट इज क्वाइट हेल्दी फॉर अस. सो सैलेड इज द डिश which is formed by raw vegetable. Raw vegetable means which is not cooked. Fine. Now come to 5th one. A cart with 2 handles. Hear it carefully. Just now I have shown you in the picture. A cart with 2 handles and 1 wheel used to move things around in the garden. 1 wheel, 2 handles and used to move things around in the garden. A cart with 2 handles, a cart with 2 handles and 1 wheel which is used to move the things around in the garden. गार्डन में कौन सी व्हील वाली चीज होती है जिसपे सामान लेके जाते हैं? अभी बताया था, अभी आपको पिक्चर में दिखाया था. यस, दैट इज व्हील बैरो. व्हील बैरो. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? नंबर 5, दैट इज व्हील barrow. Wheelbarrow. Fine. Wheelbarrow is the thing which we used, which is having wheel and which we use to move the things around in the garden. Now number 6, make a hole in the ground. Make a hole in the ground. How do you make a hole in the ground? How do you make a hole in the ground? And making a hole in the ground is called what? That is called dig. Means dig a hole in the ground. Fine. So that is called dig. Dig a hole in the ground. Making a hole in the ground is called dig. हम dig hole कर रहे हैं ground में, that is called dig. Fine. Now number 7. This gives warmth and light to the sun, to the plants. Plant को गर्मी और light कौन देता है? They'll get it from sun. ऐसा तो नहीं कि वो LED use करते हैं. No, not like that. वो LED कहाँ use करते हैं? They are not using electricity. तो कहाँ से उनको मिलते हैं? From where they will get the warmth and light. So they are getting from sun. Fine. Now 8th is a sharp gardening tool which is dragged to loosen the soil before sowing seeds. Seeds को लगाने से पहले this sharpening tool is used. So what is that? A sharp gardening tool used to drag to loosen the soil before sowing seeds. Seeds लगाने से पहले अर्थ को थोड़ा सा लूजन करना पड़ता है so that that seed can be penetrate deep inside. So penetrate means अंदर अच्छे से settle हो जाए, वो अंदर अच्छे से set हो जाए and that their roots can be stronger. So for doing this purpose, for loosening the soil, which tools you will use? That I have told you in this PPT also. That is shovel. That is shovel. SHOVEL. Now shovel is used to do this. अभी shovel जो होता है आपका JCB के पीछे भी लगा होता है and that also we will using it. तो shovel is used to loosen the soil. Soil को loosen करने के लिए we use that shovel. Now what is the next is another name for a bucket. पानी देने वाली जो bucket होती है, what is the other name of that bucket? That is in gardening tools, what we call that bucket. Bucket को हम क्या बोलते हैं? What is the other name of that bucket? That is pail. That is pail. PAIL. Pail is the other name of that gardening tool. So now the next is plants gets food and nutrients from here. From where do plants get food and nutrients? From soil. From soil they'll get the food and nutrients. Food and nutrients. So let's revise this first 10, whatever we have done till here, and after that we will do 11, 12, 13 and 14. So let's start first one is plants need plenty of what? To get water and grow. So plants need plenty of rain to get water and grow. Now second is these are good for health and can be grown in your own kitchen garden. Vegetables. Vegetables are good for health and that can be grown in our own kitchen garden. Number 3, these part of the plants often smell good. So that is what? That is flowers. Now flowers is that particular part of a plant which always, few of the plants flowers only which does not smells good, but most of the plants often smell good. So now number 4, this is a healthy dish which is made up of raw vegetable. Now what is raw vegetable? Raw vegetable means which is not cooked. जो पका नहीं है, that is called raw. वो कच्चा है. So salad is a dish which is made up of raw vegetable. Now number 5, this is a gardening tool having 2 handles and 1 wheel two handles and one wheel which is move around in a garden to move the things from one place to another place. That is wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is a device which is used to move the things from one place to another place in the kitchen garden. In fact, in the huge garden also. Number 6 says make a hole in the ground means dig. Digging the soil is called making a hole only. Number 7, this gives warmth and light to plants. Who will give? Sun. Nobody else. Human beings are not giving warmth and light to sun, light to plants. Sun is only giving warmth and light to plants. Number 8. Now what is number 8? A sharp gardening tool which is dragged to loosen the soil. That is shovel. Shovel is used to loosen the soil so that we can put the seeds inside the soil very easily. Number 9 is another name for a bucket, that is pail. Another name of bucket, that is pail. Number 10, that is plants get food and nutrients. From where do they get food and nutrients? They are getting food and nutrients from where? They are getting all the food and nutrients from soil. Fine. So now number 11. Number 11 is what? Let's see. A tool with a long handle used to move soil, sand and dirt. That is rake. Number 11 is rake. Rake is used to move soil, sand and dust in the garden. Rake एक लंबा सा लकड़ी का डंडा, अभी मैंने दिखाया आपको पीपीटी में, लंबा सा डंडा है and then with that we have a flat surface also and that is used to move the soil and all unwanted things which we don't require. इधर से उधर soil हटाना है, sand हटाना है और dirt also for removing it. For removing the dirt also we'll use this rake only. Fine. Now number 12 is season when lots of flowers bloom. Flowers bloom in which season? We have different seasons that we have done in our season chapter. We have summer season, winter season, rainy season, autumn season, spring season. So in which season that flowers bloom? किस season में flowers बहुत खिलते हैं? Yes, that is correct. That is spring season. In spring season flowers bloom. Now number 13, trees, herbs and shrubs are what? They all are plants. This also we have done because they are widely categorized into plants. Koi will make 3 categories, that is trees, herbs and shrubs. So that is the category of plant only. Plants are only categorized into trees, herbs and shrubs. So that is the category only. Now come to our last one. Now here the answer will be plant only and they are of 3 kind, that is trees, जो सबसे बिल्कुल बड़े पेड़ होते हैं, that is called बड़े बड़े पेड़ जो होते हैं, that is called trees. Herbs जो smaller plants are called, and middle plants और middle जो kind of a पेड़ जैसे lemon हो गया वो shrub होएगा. These kind of a trees वो आपके shrubs में आ, these kinds of a plants will come in shrubs. So now number 14 will be wild plants which harm other plants in a garden. Wild plants which harm other plants in the garden, that is called weeds. This also I have told you in the beginning of the video. Weeds are the unwanted plant which is not required by the by anybody, but they grow along with that same plant, and then what they will do, they harm the useful plants. They'll take all the nutrients from the soil and they will not allow to grow other useful plants to grow properly in the soil. So that is weeds. For removing this, we will use that different hand fork we will use to remove the weeds. जब मैंने आपको पहला टूल दिखाया था hand fork, that is used to remove weeds only, which is unwanted plant. So with this we have done different tools and different concept about the garden that we have completed today, children. So what is your homework? Along with this video, you will find it out these different names from this word game, and this word game you are going to do it in your homework. So here we are going to finish our class for today. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.